Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to be taking algebra but using quadratic equation. So quadratic equation means like the biggest power. The biggest power means like x square, x cube, and x raised to 4, like this stuff. Um, what quadratic equation means that the highest power should be x square. So for example, if the highest power should be 2, the highest power should be 2. For example, if it's x cube plus x square plus 1 is equal to 0, something like that. This is not a quadratic equation because the highest power is 3. But here, if the equation is like x square plus 1 is equal to 0, something like that, then this is a quadratic equation because the highest power here is 2. The highest power here is 2. So the quadratic equation means the highest power of an equation should be 2. Okay. So I'll put a question. X square is equal to 9. Okay. X square is equal to 9. So to solve this, we need to find the value of x. We need to find the value of x. So we need to take this 2 to the other side. And the opposite of the square is square root. Opposite of square is square root. So when we take it to the other side, it's going to take out we should take out the root. The opposite of square is square root. If it's square here, when it goes to the other side, it's going to be square root. Square root is going to be square root. Right? Here, if it's like square, the other side, when it goes to the other side, it's going to be square root. So we are going to take the square root of 9, and the square root of 9 is 3 because 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So the square root of 9 is 3. So the value of x is 3. Now I'll put another question. X square plus 1 is equal to 17. X square plus 1 is equal to 17. Now let's take 1 to the other side first. So x square is equal to, when we take 1 to the other side, here it's positive. So when we take it to the other side, it's going to be negative. So 17 minus 1. So x square is equal to 17 minus 1, which is 16. So we know that x square is equal to 16. Now when this 2 goes to the other side, it's going to be x is equal to root of 16. Root of 16. And the root of 16 is 4 because 4 into 4 is equal to 16. So the root of 16 is 4. The root of 16 is 4. Right? Is equal to root of 16. X is equal to 4. The root of 16 is 4. I'll put another question like that. X square minus 4 is equal to 21. X square minus 4 is equal to 21. We take minus 4 to the other side first. So x square is equal to, here it's negative. So when we take it to the other side, it's going to be positive. So 21 plus 4, which is 25. X square is equal to 25. X square is equal to 25. And so we take x is equal to, we take this 2 to the other side, which is going to make a root. So root 25. And the root of 25 is 5 because 5 into 5 is 25. Okay. 5 into 5 is 25. So the root of 25 is 5. And the square of 5 is 25, and the root of 25 and the root of 25 wait, and the root of 25 is 5. Okay, I'll put one last question. 2x square plus 1 is equal to 19. Okay, we take 1 to the other side. We take 1 to the other side, which is going to make it negative. Here is positive, so when we take it to the other side, it's going to be negative. So 19 minus 1, so 2x square is equal to 18. Now we take 2 to the other side. When we take this 2 to the other side, here is multiplication. So when you take it to the other side, it's going to be opposite, which is division. So x square is equal to 18 divided by 2, which is 9. And we take 2 to the other side. Here it's square. So when you take it to the other side, it's going to be square root. So the root of 9, wait. So the root of 9, which is 3. So the value of x is 3. Okay, so I hope you understood, and thank you for watching. Let's see you in the next video. Bye.